आपका नाम क्या है?
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mehbooba Mushtaq and I'm from Afghanistan. I've been for 3 years here in Islamabad, Pakistan, and today I came here to Lakeview Park, and I really like this park. The people are so kind and the hospitality is so good, and I'm so happy to enjoy the Eid here. Thank you so much.
ओके, आप समझते हो कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर जो है और अफ़गानिस्तान के अंदर मज़ीद हालात अच्छे होने चाहिए, रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन पाकिस्तान एंड अफ़गानिस्तान?
I think the relationship is so good because here, when I came here, the people were so kind to me and they showed very good hospitality to me. So I think Pakistani people, they really like Afghani people, and also the Afghani people like Pakistani people, and we are like sisters and brothers, like a family.
ओके, थैंक यू.